this is the Serious CTO. I'm the qualification assistant. Before we schedule anything, I need to run you through a quick 5-question check. Is now a good time?
I get a bunch of requests every week. Some are solid, most are, not that. And filtering them sucks up way more time than actually answering anything. You would think being retired means peace and quiet. Not for me. If you ever built anything, you know the drill. Got 5 minutes? Quick questions? Can you just look at this? Translation, do my homework for free. I've got a wife, kids, and pets. So you'd think the pattern only happened in the office. I get it at home too. If I'm focused and I've been typing for more than 5 minutes, the universe is going to figure out the right time to send some interruption. Even the dog's barking because they saw a ghost through a window. I'm a retired CTO. My work now is teaching developers the soft skills that change careers. If I'm caught qualifying random DMs instead of creating that material, the process needs fixing. I tried forums. They didn't help. Everything's still funneled into email. And email is where things go to die for me. Messages slip through cracks I didn't even know existed. If it goes to spam, good luck. I literally thought a business ghosted me for a whole week. Nah, it was just spam doing its thing. And every one of these messages becomes a task I never asked for. Tasks pile up. Friction builds. Burnout follows. You can't grow anything if half your day goes to people who have no idea what they need. And here's the real truth. Most of the people who show up in my messages aren't potential. They're noise pretending to be important. And the pitches? Holy man. Every week someone wants to sell me their thumbnail services or whatever else. I've got a template for them at this point. Because if I don't reply, next thing I know I'm getting emails I never asked for. There was this one guy, 3 emails a day. Talk about noise. Even if I strip out everything that doesn't move the needle, pretty much everyone who reaches out still falls into 3 buckets. Group 1, mentorship ready. Clear, focused, they've already done the work. Group 2, course ready. They don't need me one-on-one. They just need a clean roadmap. Half the time they think they need a nuclear option when all they need is the basics. Group 3, totally not ready. Some need more experience. Some need direction. Some need to stop switching tech stacks like they're trying out an outfit. And some honestly need therapy more than tech advice. Not that that surprises me in this career. Why don't you lie down and tell me about your keyboard? And you've got your own version of this in your world. Clients, leads, recruiters, the build this for exposure people. Definitely a few, I can't pay you, but I know a lot of people leeches. Different flavors of the same headache. Filtering isn't optional. If you don't protect your time, nobody's going to do it for you. If you want a nice analogy, protect your time like you protect your wallet. Everyone who reaches out lands at one of 3 levels. Hell yeah. Maybe. Oh hell no. The hell yeah people get time. The maybes get redirected. The oh hell no groups get stopped early before they drain you, or even worse, are going to pull you away from someone who actually is a hell yes. And without a system that enforces this, you lose hours every week on people who were never a match in the first place. At that point, automation isn't a luxury. It's self-defense. I need something that filters noise before I ever see the message. Mentorship ready? Send them to mentorship. Course ready? Course. Everyone else, a polite, hey, here's what you actually need. No complex funnel, no duct tape tools, no extra workload for me. Oh, and also no big monthly costs. That's where Ready AI comes in. So here's Ready AI. Create a new project, give it a name, set the basic goal, hit enter. It spits out a full landing page in under a minute. And yeah, it even created 5 qualifying questions for me like I asked. They weren't the ones that I wanted, but that's fine. This is version 1, not the 10 commandments. Oh, and because I'm me, I started messing with it. 1 question at a time. Watching how the system shifts. Seeing how it vets people. Who it qualifies, who it kicks out. It's kind of weirdly satisfying watching it say, nope, to someone I also would have said no to. But anyway, even with those errors, in under a minute, I have something concrete, something I can see, scroll, poke at, break, fix, no dragging blocks around, no, why is this div moving, PTSD. No tweaking layouts at midnight. Just done. Let me scroll. Clean sections. Looks good. Copy isn't cringe, which is already a win. No lorem ipsum for me, man. For me, this kills that, I need a page for this idea feeling. Now I can test an idea in 2 minutes instead of burning a whole weekend. The real magic here is the agent. It's basically a bouncer, except this one actually knows what the hell I do. It pulls context from the site, answers everything for me, sends people exactly where they belong without asking me first. Picture this. Someone goes, "Hey, I'm curious about mentorship." The agent handles it, gives them the info, points them to the right door. I don't even flinch. Then you get the other type. I want leadership advice, but I've got zero experience. The agent just gently shoves them towards the fundamentals. No drama, no handholding. And the best part? The low-effort folks, the ones who drain your time, they never reach me. They get filtered out before they even warm up my inbox. That alone gives me back hours. Hours I'd rather spend helping people who actually show up ready. Here's why I'm using it for the serious CTO. I get flooded with devs who want mentorship, but half of them aren't ready. They need basics. They need context. They need to stop sprinting before they can walk. With Ready AI, they hit the page and the agent does the sizing up for me. Or the questionnaire does. It figures out where we're actually at, not where they think they're at. People who are serious get pushed towards mentorship. People who think they'll be a CTO by next Tuesday get nudged to fundamentals. And everyone else gets their questions answered without turning me into customer service. That right there is the gap between running a business and babysitting a funnel. Most devs start building before they know if anyone even wants the damn thing. Most creators jump in and start answering every message before they even see if the person's even serious. Both group burn hours for nothing. A landing page with a triage agent kills all that nonsense, cuts the noise, gives you clarity, and suddenly you're spending your time on the stuff that actually moves the needle instead of babysitting strangers on the internet. Not that I don't do that on a regular basis anyways. I've got 3 Ready AI Pro giveaway codes sitting in the description. If you want to move fast, test ideas without burning weekends, and stop getting buried in random inbound, the link's down there. That's it.
Hi, this is the Serious CTO. I'm the Qualification Assistant. Before we schedule anything, I need to run you through a quick 5-question check. Is now a good time?
Sure.
Question 1. What is your current role or job title in software development?
Nice.